Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Hey Bestie blanket. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, front post single crochet stitch, and be familiar with the raised hatch stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4. I have already made 152 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to make 2 double crochet into that same chain. So there's 1 and 2. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 3 chains. Into this next one, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. And then make 3 double crochet into this same chain where you made this single. So this one right here. You're going to make 3 double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet you had made. So that's everything so far. We skipped these 3 chains. We made that single crochet into this chain, made 3 chains, and then made 3 double crochet into this same chain with this single crochet. Now you're going to start repeating from these skipped chains over here. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, make 3 chains, and then 3 double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next one, single crochet, make 3 chains, make 3 double crochet into that same chain where you made that single crochet. Skip 3 chains into this next chain, make a single crochet, make 3 chains, then make 3 double crochet into that same chain where you made that single crochet. And that is how everything is looking so far. So you're going to start repeating this sequence by skipping 3 chains. Into the next chain, you're going to make that single crochet, make 3 chains, and then make 3 double crochet all into this same chain together where you made that single crochet. You're going to start repeating this sequence until you have 4 chains left in this row. When you reach the end of your row and you have 4 chains left, skip 3 like we had been doing. Then into the last chain of this row, you're going to make 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 2 double crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 2 stitches and then over this next stitch, so you can see there's 3 double crochet right here, you're going to skip 2 double crochet, and over this next double crochet you're going to make a front post single crochet. So it's going to look like this right around that double crochet. Then you're going to make 3 chains. And then into this chain space right here next, you're going to make 3 double crochet. That's how everything is looking. So you're going to start repeating from this front post single crochet. You're going to skip this single crochet right here. You're basically going to skip these 3 stitches. You're going to move over to the last double crochet of this next 3 double crochet, this next previous set of 3, which is right here. And over this last one, you're going to make that front post single crochet. Then make 3 chains. Then make 3 double crochet into this next chain space. Same thing over this next previous double crochet right here. So you can see this is a set of 3. You're going to move over to the last one right over here. You're going to make that front post single crochet, make 3 chains, and then make 3 double crochet into this next chain space. Move over to this next previous set of 3 double crochet. You're going to skip the first 2 and into this last one right here. You're going to make that front post single crochet. Then make 3 chains. Then make 3 double crochet into this next chain space. So you can see how everything is looking so far. You're going to start repeating this sequence by making that front post single crochet over this last double crochet in each next set of 3. So you're going to be skipping the first 2 double crochet, make that front post single over the last one. And you're going to make 3 chains. Then you're going to make 3 double crochet into the next chain space that you come across. You're going to repeat this sequence until you reach the last stitch in this row. Once you make it to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches and then some chains left. You're going to skip these 2 stitches, then into the top of these last chains at the end of this row, you're going to make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my Afghan is looking. I ended up making 82 rows total for a throw size. And that is going to be how to make my Hey Bestie blanket. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.